next experiment is verify half adder circuit. So half adder means what? It has two inputs A and B, and we are getting two outputs, that is sum and carry. So this is A plus B. This operation is what? A is added with B. So output is sum and carry. So for sum we require XOR gate. So A input, B input. So sum equation is A XOR B. And for carry we require AND gate. So it is A ANDed with B. So for XOR gate we require 7486 IC, and for AND gate we require 7408 IC. So how to connect this one? The first is VCC line and ground line. So this is the VCC line and this one is the ground line. Connect pin number 14 to VCC line. And pin number 7 of both the IC to ground line. Now input A is connected to the XOR gate. So according to the pin diagram of XOR gate, pin number 1 is the input, pin number 2 is the output, and pin number 2 is the second input, and pin number 3 is the output. Now same A input is connected to the AND gate 1 input. So this is connected to the 1 input of AND gate, and the B input which is connected at pin number 2 of XOR, this is the B input. So from this one it is connected to the second input of AND gate, and the output is taken from the pin number 3. So here this is the sum output and this one is the carry output. Inputs are A and this one is B. Now when A is 0 and B is 0, that time sum is also 0 and carry is at also 0 level. So when A is 0, B is 0, sum is 0, carry is also 0. Now when A is 0 and B is 1, that time sum output is 1, carry output is at logic 0. So sum is 1 and carry is 0. When A is 1 and B is 0, that time sum is at logic 1 and carry is at logic 0. So sum is at logic 1 and carry is at logic 0. Now when A is 1 and B is 1, that time sum is 0 and carry is 1. So sum is 0 and carry is 1. So we realize half adder circuit. Verify half subtractor circuit. Now in subtractor, two inputs are there, A and B. This operation is A minus B. So we are getting output as difference and borrow. So this is the circuit diagram of half subtractor. So for getting difference, XOR gate is used. So difference equation is A XOR B. And for borrow, equation is A bar B. So we require NOT gate to get A bar, and A bar dot B, that is the AND operation. For AND operation we are using AND gate. So for XOR we require IC 7486. So pin number 1 and 2 input and pin number 3 is output. So we are getting A XOR B at the output. That is difference. Now for getting A bar B, A input is connected to the input of NOT gate. So output we are getting A bar, and this is the B input and this is given to the AND gate. So at the output we are getting A bar B, which is the equation for borrow. So how to connect this one? So this is IC 7486, that is XOR. This is IC 7404, that is NOT gate, and this is IC 7408, that is AND gate. Now in this one, first thing is connect VCC through VCC line for each and every gate, every IC. So this is the VCC line. This pin number 14 is VCC. Then connect ground of each and every IC to ground line. That is, this is the ground line. Okay. Now input A is connected to the first input of XOR gate, that is pin number 1. This is input B, which is connected to the second input, that is pin number 2, and output is taken from pin number 3. So this is output difference. Now same A input is taken and it is given to the input of NOT gate. Then output of NOT gate, that is, now this is input A. So output of NOT gate is A bar. Now this A bar is connected to the pin number 2 of AND gate. Now the B input, which is connected to the pin number 2 of XOR gate, this B input is taken. This is the B input, and this B input is connected to pin number 1 of AND gate, and this output is taken from pin number 3. So this is A bar B. So according to the circuit diagram, input A is connected to the pin number 1 of 7404, and output of that NOT gate, that is pin number 2, is connected to pin number 2 of 7408. Now here these are the two inputs, A and B, and this is the output difference and second output as borrow. So when A is 0 and B is 0, that time difference is 0 and borrow is also at logic 0. Now when A is 0 and B is 1, that time difference is 1 and borrow is 1. So difference is 1 and borrow is 1. Now when A is 1 and B is 0, that time difference is 1 and borrow is 0. When A is 1 and B is 1, that time difference is 0 and borrow is 0. Okay, that is 0 minus 0, difference 0, borrow 0. 0 minus 1, difference 1, borrow 1. 1 minus 0, difference 1, borrow 0. And 1 minus 1, difference 0 and borrow 0. Thus we realize half adder circuit. Now see, in this one, in half adder circuit and half subtractor circuit, there is one difference, that is output carries AB and here output borrow as A bar B. Means there is a difference of only A bar. So whenever you are constructing half subtractor, it is very easy to convert this half subtractor circuit into half adder circuit. For that one, just remove this one, that is 7404 IC. Remove this one, that is pin number 2, and this A input is directly connected to the pin number 2 of IC 7408. Now you can see that this half subtractor, you can directly convert it into half adder. See, 0 0 sum is 0 carries 0, 0 1 sum 1 carries 0, 1 0 sum 1 carry 0, and 1 1 sum 0 and carry 1. So whenever you want to perform both the circuit, that is first realize half subtractor circuit, then remove the 7404 and do the connection according to the circuit diagram, that is A is directly connected to this IC, then you will get half adder circuit.